complain ne?
Mamuri.
What the car about corn? Ni chiza na songo corn.
The corner. Memoru. The corner.
Ndipe mianu. Dani. Afuna kuti mwana nyekeza. Iya peni ya complain ayo.
Dina mai. Mama ndile.
Sasa nikumba niziro zvakuti. Nicho pandara dzitsoro zona. Ari kunyenga vona ndawo yamwe. Ngomba wu.
Uruku.
Wu.
Uruku.
Wu.
Uruku.
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 Ana no tabanyela udova wena ukona. Nasa tabanyela ne andikeni papi. I don't care. Survival of the fittest. Ah. Ana do tabanyela. Zambas. Ando tabañera. Ano do tabañera. Tabañera.
Tabañera.
Oh. Iya, ngora do tamba bahari wewe ti. Nisongoro era okay. Ile nani zinofika do jwa ngai?
Gane.
Oh, look at this. Okay. Hey. Ni manjisa. Za ukuma. Lily. Wow. Ngopo ngai. Ndime murada ka.
Angojia.
Ai.
Pasi.
Chaza pasi nsongo tapuwa. Hello.
Sazuman. Kita marunam.
Vakatofuna lutanye. Avapiti. Oh. Nandi dawaitani.
Sofera.
Ndikofedzisa pano.
Momo wakola.
Ndikofedzisa palana.
Nene, nakadeshera mungola.
Ndoshere.
Kadamu. Nenda mangi.
Nyata mimi. Zipi? Za kuma. Okay. Ada kan di mapi. Mapi. Lily, no. Di mahulu sa, di mamin. Matanda. Sudah jalan kapu, kok tidak sinono. Jangan nube somewhere.
Why?
I don't know.
Apa Yuya?
Hmm?
Apa?
Lily is very busy, guys. Like for the past 2 days, even today, she was sick. She had the worst flu. This is from the garden. From the garden that I showed you guys before. So these were the damaged leaves. So we're gonna put them today. Gianni. The weather is so great. The weather feels amazing. It feels almost surreal. The one. Gagaro. Oh, Lily, come here. Ini sama jasa jamu. Aduh, itu daru Ambon nih. Ini kayaknya gore. Andi taruh tenda ke dini, wai. Lily, what is up, my girl? Udah kalau friend hujah phone yang kan kuntaran ay. Yeah, it's very nice. Phone yang enggak. Okay, lah friend aku bicara apa?
Guys,
Apa lah?
this
Oh, I'm very good, guys. Thank you so much. We are very good. Wait. My God.
Wonder.
More para ako kung bicara phone yang gawe.
Wonder.
Guys, I'm South African. Apa? Dori buyani no ambara. Why ni chukot veranda? Guy. Apa kata kan tu basanda the bucket engem bra. Ba tent ba phone. Eh. Kela, ba benga. Abi come. Abi be. Scusa só kofana we. Ndi dai be sa we. Kama da fara we ndi be.
Kade.
My mother is complaining. Guys. Okay, I'm trying. Yes. I said I'm South African, guys. I said I'm South African. You know this, Faisal? It's right. Sharp. I'm almost done. So from my garden, we are doing this today. I'm gonna. You know, Faisal, you know this.
No, please.
Really? My daughter has been sick, guys. She was. You are South African. Okay, that's nice. Pass down, Tidiana, pass down. Pass down. You're going with that. Oh, we're almost done anyway. Yeah, I'm South African. I speak Tibelandia Amba. I don't know. My screen looks not too bright. Be still my soul, be still my soul, my God. My girl, he's in control. He's in control. Be still. Face, the other day you said I couldn't sing, ne? So I'm just singing for the hell of it. Be still my song. Be still my song. Last night I woke up just to listen to this song. Like the way it touches my heart, the way it touches the deeper parts of me. Oh my God. Sorry, Lily. Oh wait. I'm trying. Yeah. Yo. So there is a fight here. The kids are fighting for this. Ano tatawanya lo tatawanya. Eh, ano tatawanya lo. So we're playing sort of a game. The things these kids are saying, ne? Ah, shame. Kids have anger issues, guys. Kids have so much anger, like crazy. Eh? Ngurumini. This is. Hey, Hashem, no, please. Emmanuel, ato darangoralo. Ay, chane pabe o masina ni this is sujanga masina. Ay. We're almost done, guys. We're almost done. I'm left with this. I think my daughter is about to sleep. You know, I haven't slept for the last 2 days since that live we did. I haven't slept. Be still my soul, be still my soul. Oh, she wants to sleep. Oh. Ya no te que celebrar en una falanda de sem cap. Oh, puchu, Lily. Oh, why you wanna sleep, ne? Sleepy little baby. Sleepy little baby. Sleepy little baby. Sleep, Lily. Go ahead, take it, dress up. Oruga. Come in. Hey. Dalam kapong. Ani dinam kapong na. Denk. Ma denu tu dama tambasan. Ndo mwana guys. Dena ku continue kulana kutuku ange. Ndo tambasan. Didi, you wanna taste? Ndo kafa non, ta dana chikaftini peds. Suko vya tata no fini veni korenga. Let's see if she's gonna eat. It looks like she will eat. Dani na madi o tamba sana, nukunya ko tamba sana. Oh yeah. Today we're finally eating, I think. She does? I don't think she does. Maybe she does. Hey, Oruk. Mm. Mm. She does look like me. I don't think so. I don't think my daughter. Guys, do you think she looks like me? So I want to wash my hand so that I could literally start feeding Lily. This is maize puree. My African people understand this. You do it at home. Lily, 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 Lily. You don't really put too much sugar or any sugar at all in here. She hasn't been eating for like 2 days. Let's see if she's gonna eat. Hmm? Ah, ah, ah. Do you feel that? Beautiful. Say hi, say hello. Lily, say hello. Oh, yes. Mm. Let's see. Do you wanna eat? Do you wanna eat? Do you want to eat, Lily? I don't think she's gonna eat. I don't think. What about African? What is this? Oh, I don't know what you're saying. I don't even know which language that is. Lily, say hi. When I am done with this, I'm going straight to sleep. I'm going straight to sleep because I haven't slept since the other day. I just sleep maybe 30 minutes. She wakes me up. 30 minutes wakes me up. Oh, what? Open your mouth. Lily. Ah. 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 Oh. Mbona Lily. Mbona Zwanda. Mbona Zwanda. Yeah. You should see my son, guys. My son. I don't want to. You run in the car. Dani mengapan do bachaza. The car of a boy man shop. So he wants to get out of the camera. Dani mengapan rawang nga. The car of a name cares because one go back. I said they should clap for the baby. The shops. Oh wow, we go by the mall. But we have a supermarket not far. You know how it works. Those Indian shops, those Ethiopian shops. We have one. It's not even 500. It's literally it's literally 3 houses, if not 2 houses down. I will take you guys with me one of these days, and then we'll go. When I want to buy bread, I'll take you with me. But it's very near, and we live like the biggest mall. I live near. It's like let's just say maybe 15 kilometers away from the bigger mall, and then we have like those ShopRite, You Save, and Boxer mini shops along the way. So yeah. Pian gogota. Makura makara de vanilla is lily. Ay, Eat. Okay, I'm giving up. In my language, they say Muzamani Avrawi. The one who has tried cannot be killed. I've tried. She just doesn't want to eat. Yeah, Umsa. So that leaves her to breastfeed, and she is breastfeeding like crazy because she is not eating. So I'm like, okay, cool. Do you see the importance of having your own garden, guys? I don't know when was the last time we bought veggies. I don't know. We have veggies at home, different types of veggies. My tomatoes are coming in. I only need green peppers. I need green peppers. Just that I don't have money now to buy the seedlings, but come December, I'm buying them. I know. I saw you guys the garden, and that was the little garden. We have a bigger one where we sell the veggies, where we sell the spinach, and we also sell kale. We also sell rake. Actually, yeah, it's nice. It's a way. We have those people who come with their buggies and buy them, and around the village they buy. They come and buy. They place the order. Hey, pasan jani boss. So so it's a relief. It's a relief. Yes. I think we're done. Ma, I want to put on, but the young man and yes, we're about to do them. Now we're just waiting for rain, and then we're gonna plant mealies. Yeah, you know, vendors, ne? My tribe, we like pap, so it's a must. That pap meaning porridge, right? If you're from the other side of the world that doesn't use the word pap, we love porridge. We love porridge a lot. If I don't have at least porridge once per day, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start feeling pain, and like I won't function. So to us, planting mealies is very important, and because we love pap. Really, grandma is coming. Mwah. Granny. Oh, sorry, excuse me, baby girl. Don't put a pan. My knee, guys, my knee is giving me problems. No, but watermelons as well. They like. Mwah. No, we don't do that, nuts. But we do watermelons. Oh my god. Yeah, there are a lot of them. Like I will show you guys. Oh, I will show you now. It's just that now we haven't started. Sorry, mom. Like the soil we have on the outside plot name. I'm gonna show you if I manage to finish. Like it's very suitable for planting watermelons, and it's very big. it can fit two houses. I will show you. I will show you. We have another one down by the river. I think it's about 2 kilometers or three. I will show you today because my daughter is. Sorry, guys. The Wi-Fi. Sorry, guys. The Wi-Fi is in the house, and I'm outside, and it's not on the. Let me show you. Code. Let me show you. I'm not really going to go there because it's a bit far, and the Wi-Fi is at home. It's not really that far, but that right there is the outside farm. You see, we are, how do you say this? We are pouring cow manure on it, if you can see, you see? So this whole place, yeah, just before that house you're seeing there, this whole place is like the farm, the at-home farm. We also have another one. And this is my garden, guys. You see? You see? You see? This is where I'm gonna plant my mealies. You see that I'm doing things. Anyway, let me go back and finish doing my chopping of the vegetables of my spinach before my mother. You see, my mother took over. My mother took over, guys. She took over. Lily. Really? Zakuma. Puchu puchu. Puchu puchu. Lily. This one is coming. She's coming to me.
Rwanda.
No, there are no monkeys. Hey, I think I spoke too soon. There are. I saw one. It was this year. Chaza. Don't do that. Ivan, ah, yeah, they are there, guys. They are monkeys, ne? There was one. It's just that the land that we live on is not one that has mountains, but there is a mountain just far, maybe close to 10 kilometers away. There is a mountain. So the monkeys during harvest time, they come down and they come the maize or the mealies. No, the vegetables, no. They come for the maize. They love maize. But corn. Let's just say corn. They love corn. Yeah. They come for those. I remember there was one that came this year. I think it was around May. May. I think so, around May or even before then. It came here. We couldn't chase it. It was eating pumpkin. Yeah, pumpkins. It was eating pumpkins. We couldn't chase it. I think it just left on its own. But it was doing so much damage. Like it will get up, take one corn, run back to the tree with corn. After it finishes, it will go back again, take another one, run back to the tree. And here at home we have so many trees, so it was like living in paradise. Wait on. Wait on. I'm asking my mother if she's not gonna cook meat. Meat, guys. Meat. Meat. Wako bika bro. Mo jadi kamro badi bro ba. Upi ada tas di mari bawa dora bo bika bro. I'm streaming from South Africa, guys. I'm South African. Can't you see my name? Zwivhuya. I don't think there is a Nigerian that is like, okay, maybe I'm being biased. Maybe there are these days, we have. I don't know. I think I'm a veggie person, to be honest. so I can't eat anything without having veggies. So for me, I already ate. I don't know. I ate burgers in the morning with some veggie, and then um there is leftover okra. Yes. So I'm gonna have that for lunch. I think the spinach. Maybe I'm gonna have it in between. I don't know. But meat, guys, meat, meat. Oh, it seems like it's gonna be a mixture of meat and the spinach. Meat, guys. Protein is important too. Hi, my South African people, and hi, my other people. Yes, let me just say my other people, guys. Protein is very important. I love veggies, but protein, guys. Meat is also very important. So I guess she's gonna also gonna cook some meat. Ooh, I think my daughter is about to sleep. I'm not sure. Lily, she's sleeping, guys. If she sleeps, I'm sleeping also. I haven't slept in like 2 days. I was first. I don't know how early I woke up. I woke up as early as 6 o'clock and got out of the house. Six. I got out of the house. I was forced to work in the garden. It's not me who's cooking. My daughter is sick, so because of that, it's not me. I'm not cooking. It's my mom. My mom is the one who's going to be cooking. I don't think she will want that. Let me ask. Mawe, upiri koto the baba na big. She's like, cooking what? Zone vakobika zvone. She's not answering. No. I've already answered this. Can we do? Okay, yeah, no. To answer your question, no. Bongs, what do mo? No, no. Uh, she says she's chopping the onions, those green onions. She's chopping them. Uh, yeah, even those ones we harvested. I told you we pretty much harvest everything: the onions, the tomatoes, the carrots, um, the okra, the butternut, the beetroot, the pumpkin. We harvest everything. Everything. You're coming. Please don't kill me, oh. Yeah, you're killing me. It's just that the farm, the one that is big enough for all those things, it's not around here. It's near the river. We made it to be near the river because we are having water shortages here in our village. Hi. Hi. I'm good. And you? So we're having water shortages here in the village. And because of that, the farm is by the river and it's a bit far, Jim. It's a bit far. That's my sister. She's about to make noise. She's sleeping. Oh, Adele. The toyando part. The toyando part. Tohoyando.
Which party?
No, somebody already answered this question. I think I'm just gonna. Maybe some of them. Hey. I come from the part where our president sort of like comes from. That's the part where I come from. Uh, yes, and it's very hot in here, guys. It's hot. It's hot. It's a good thing because since the other day I showed you I did a live while it was raining. You remember I was collecting water, eh? Yeah.
Wonderful. Okay.
Yes. Yes, Hoyando. Oh, what do you?
Oh, that's the way. Oh.
Mm. Oh, I see. I'm listening to gossip, guys. I'm listening to gossip because I love gossip. Yeah, Toyando, Hoyando. How are you able to spell it like that? How are you able to spell it like that? Nandi tu ndio pate. That's nice. That's nice. That's very nice. Yo, guys, yeah. Toyando. And Toyando is, if you've never been here, nah, you will be surprised. I remember I went once to.
Ati dhivi upi osokori una contract ene kutoda vati inokofata tiduri ndigai atingotwabudisa oto ndosokomubvusa ndichimubvusa ndaziva ndava ndingaangezvi ambori kutara chidzombuya ngapa ngurikuamba namne ndingapa.
Yeah, it's my mother and my sister, guys. They are near us, and you know what? They are talking. They're like
una contract ene kutoda vati
moving my phone to this position better.
ori inokodopata kani.
The people are building. I showed you, people are building around here, guys. If you're not building, ne? Shame. The moment I start earning from YouTube, ne? I'm building. I'm building my own mansion, guys. Katabelo, I what is bani for my way. I feel like celebrating. I feel like celebrating. And I wish I was monetized here, but no, my mother is busy with her carrots. Can I show you? And the pot that she's using, ne? Yes, the village. This is the village. I can't just say, hey, my sister wants attention. But that's my son. Mwah. Mwah. Right there. He knows that if the baby is sleeping, we whisper. We don't talk loud. We whisper.
Ngombara bruko.
Ngombara skipa shendo zuke. No, I'm guys. I think we're gonna get into the okra business. I think we're gonna do the okra business, guys. My sister is saying that the okra her friends sells. Yes, this is my daughter. That's my son. And baby, I am done. DONE, done. Done.
Your father.
Gone with the moon, I love you. Got the money upon you. Greet
Sabab.
Yes, greet. Hi. Ngiyakonela.
Hi.
Itu nachanda thini chita.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Anitapedza. Anitapedza. Kumlokisa mlenje wangu. Mwah.
Nina marambo.
Marambo me. Ntole wanda thila thumala rila tola nene. Siko mo. Yo, look, let me show you, ne? I want to show you the house that my neighbor has. That's like my upper neighbor. You see that house? Do you see? The other neighbor's house from that side. The other neighbor from this side. Do you see? Like, when you have time, guys, it's oh, hey, mother, this pot, ne? This pot is older than me. The pot that my mother is using, older than me. This one. Mawe. You do you hear that? This pot was bought in 1990. The pot that she's using. 1990. 2022. This pot is like this pot is like 1990. How many years is that? Is it 35? Jesus. It's older than me. It's older than my brother who came before me. Yeah, brother Carol. And then it was born before my mother's third born, I think. So this pot is old. It's old, guys. 35 years. Jesus. So yeah, so basically it's 35 years. So she's still busy chopping her veggies. So yeah. We're gonna see if when she's done. Afano bachipedza uita ntu vakabika idzodzi veggies ndizamini ndidzachipina shi nami vakutomobika nama vakutomobika chipina shi. I'm interested in the meat part. Meat protein, guys. The sun is coming. The side. I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna sit. Would I love to come to Nigeria? No, I wouldn't. Is it a city place? Is it, guys? I'm not much of a traveler. I've tried living in the city a few times and I don't like that life. It's too loud. And I love home, you know. I would miss home like crazy. I don't even know how to explain it. Home provides me with this peace. The way I love the way I love tomatoes, like eating raw tomatoes. Growing up, I was still like they will buy tomatoes, and then let's say maybe there are 20 tomatoes in total available. I will eat about 15 of those tomatoes and they will never guess what's
No,
happening.
no, not fun.
Mm. I would love it. I don't think so. I'm sorry. I don't think so. I struggle to adjust in about 4 cities here in South Africa. Imagine what would happen if I move away from South Africa itself. I would go mad. I don't think I would. Maybe I would love it for a short time, and then afterwards I wouldn't.
Kaya di ba matalaki?
I'll just go there maybe for a vacation yana there. The stories are here about Nigeria and Nigerians. They're not my cup of tea. I like to admit I have my cup of tea, and unless if they're not true, but the stories are here. The sun is coming this side, guys. Michael, my so, there's this song, man, by Naomi. Is it Rains or Rains? That song. This song, man. The sun is coming this side, and I'm trying to run away from the sun. I don't think I'm gonna win. God, he is in control. So my mother, same way we hear many stories. It's true, Yeah, and I'm afraid of being human trafficked. Yeah. You know what? That was such a blessing. Honestly speaking, the rain was a blessing. We have cows here at home. So if you haven't guessed yet, we are farmers by nature. So we literally pray that the rain comes because yeah, it is following us. Huh? Because if it rains, right, obviously the earth itself becomes happy. We're having grass. Grass is starting to like sprout or something like that, and the veggies that come naturally, they are also coming. So, and water for the cows. So it was a blessing to have the sun. Like even the trees. I told you we have so many trees here. We have so many. So my dad was a nature person, so he planted so many trees. I gave you one tour one day. Onyeka said, same way we hear many stories about South Africa. You know what? Yeah, there are many stories. And the good thing is, I'm not from the city, I'm from the villages. So, the villages, not much happens. Most of the stories come from the city, the town. So, the village where I come from, there's not really much. We don't have to worry about human trafficking here. We don't have to worry about, yeah, pretty much human trafficking is like the one thing that will give you shivers these days. And I don't have to worry about such things here in the villages, which is a blessing. And also those things of bless us and that will do sacrifice your soul. What? Ding. How come by? Gossip, guys. My mother is saying gossip. Gossip. Yes. My mother is saying gossip. Gossip, guys. I love gossip. Yeah. It's everywhere. Yeah, South Africa is a lovely country. You're very much right. The crime rate is mind-boggling. let me tell you. Um, Before I even went into any career, um, I wanted to be a lawyer. I wanted to be a lawyer. I was very good at debates growing up, and I went to Univam. I did. Unfortunately, my brother was the one who applied for me, so he applied for environmental science, and then I didn't like it. I went for another degree. I did public administration. Then public administration was like it involves the government. Administration, in other words, is government, right? So I was like, okay, I'm getting into this, and I realized this career is crazy, guys. Like, you cannot be thank you. You cannot be a politician if you have too many morals. I remember my lecturer saying that he ran because it's either his morals, he was going to have to stand down and throw away his morals and his principles, or he was gonna be off. Like, so the crime rate is not going anywhere. Yeah, a lovely country will always be a lovely country, but a flaw is also gonna be a flaw. There is no way we're gonna fight this crime rate, man. Okay. Imagine manore hayi ndizonipandela pasini angane doyezwa ngange. Imagine if you're a politician, right? I'm not saying it's right. Sometimes these people don't have a choice, guys. I don't like being political. I know this game, it's not good. So imagine if you're a politician and a criminal, a big one at that, one that you know that it wouldn't take much effort to off you. He like, it's either you're doing this or we're offing you or we're offing your family members. What the hell are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You're gonna be corrupt as hell, man. So I'm going to put this food somewhere. You're gonna make me blush. I'm gonna blush. You are going to make me blush. You're going to make me blush. And I don't want to blush. I don't want to blush. I don't know. This it's phase load. I can't even pronounce your name right. You're going to make me blush. I'm kidding. It takes a lot to make me blush. I was raised by a man who was like, confidence is everything. My dad was like the one who pretty much taught me most of the things. Um, I think most people who have been on my life, you've heard me speak very fondly of him, right? Right? Yeah, you have. Anyway, so you taught me confidence is you have to be confident no matter what. So I'm not blushing anytime. So not even worry. Am I gonna blush? Am I blushing? What is blushing? What is blushing? Do you know what blushing is? What is it? He obviously doesn't know English. And I know, right? He's supposed to be knowing English, but maybe next year I homeschool my son. I hope he is. He's very busy. So I homeschool my son. So next year maybe I'll teach him English, but now no, I'm teaching him our native language, Chivenda. I feel like that is more productive, right? And I'm still contemplating whether I should take him to crash or not. I'm I'm still thinking about it
Suwa kwa baba.
because I'm very hands-on
Baba
when
zoro.
it comes to his education. And I think I would clash with these teachers at the crash because
Shaba.
the crash
Zwivhuya.
is like near my place where we stay. Yeah, it's near where we're staying, right? And I could pretty much hear what's happening that side. It is good when they are teaching things that kids are supposed to be taught. They are literally teaching kids months, days.
Dura. Dura. Sedang.
Am I paying good money
Sedang dura.
for my son to know that today is Monday? Something that I could literally teach him off hands, like today is Monday, Namsindi Monday. I need my son to be, I need them to tap into his creative mind to teach him literacy. They don't teach literacy at the creche that is near here at home. I'm speaking very low because it's literally near at home. They don't teach literacy, guys. They don't teach science, right? Kids also, preschool level, they have their own science they understand. They don't. So, I'm still thinking about it. Like, come January, I'm buying equipment and a lawyer. Manore, ni chalo ni koto dwa min. Koto dwa shuma min ni chalo.
Bebe cuma kekis.
Tekisi. Tekisi.
Bebe
Ni ko shuma min ni tekisi.
cuma kekis.
Ngoto dwa min urenga zi tekisi. Na hira tuwa ni driver zi tekisi zamu. Ngoto dwa.
Kau gerengali Benz.
Ito darangali Benz. He wants to buy the Benz. Na darangali Benz.
Gede gede
No, they give me that.
So
He wants to buy a Benz. The way my son loves the Benz. Ngunya go ba lawyer rain.
Untung gambar skipa.
Sige, skip sa. Oh, ngunya go ba lawyer rain. Ngunya go ba lawyer. You want to be a lawyer? So kuma ndo ambela batho. And be corrupt lawyer. You won't be a corrupt cop lawyer, ne? Oh my god. You know, my son is sleeping, ne? let me go, guys. I love you so much and thank you so much for tuning in today. A lot of people showed up today to support. I think this will get the channel to be monetized 5-star. You know, I was hoping this month I will try to create more content, more vlogs. Unfortunately, with the kids, it's been sickness after sickness. If you are a regular on my lives, you know this. It's been sickness after sickness. The beginning of the month, it was my son. My son was sick, very sick for 2 weeks. After he was fine, and then it was me. Now that I'm fine, it's my daughter. I don't know what's happening, but that's what it is. So I haven't been able to like post content. I want to, but the problem is with the problem is life. But I have tons of funny videos between the kids. I post those on Facebook. I've told you guys, follow me on Facebook as well. I'm funny as hell, that's and on Instagram the names are the same everywhere. I also created an X account. Twitter account yesterday. So the names are the same. Instagram the name, Facebook the same name. I post constantly. Even now, as I'm talking, I'm going to post something that side. I show a side of me that I normally don't show, the side. But I hope maybe next week when my son is fine, my daughter is fine, I'm gonna do some vlogs. I don't know, we'll see. But thank you guys for tuning in. It really helps. I'm like left with 1,500 watch hours to monetize. hmm And if I hadn't deleted those videos that I did, I would have been monetized. But unfortunately, I did. Thank you guys for watching. Ne? I love you. I think I'm gonna post a video today. Yeah. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Ew.
Yeah, fine.
Bye, son, guys.
Bye.